If you're looking for the perfect dish to make to impress your guests but with minimal effort, make a Dutch baby. It's impressive, it's easy, and it's very delicious. I'm gonna start by preheating a cast iron skillet in a 425-degree oven while I make the batter. The batter is super easy. It's a lot lighter than a normal pancake batter. Starts with just a couple eggs, and then I'm gonna whisk in some milk, a little bit of flour, a little nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. This could easily be the cheapest breakfast you ever make, I'll say that. Before I pour it in the pan, I'm going to melt the butter into the pan. I like to do this while it's still preheating, just so the pan doesn't cool off too much, because you want this to go into a hot pan. Butter is melted and the batter goes into the hot skillet and straight back into the oven. Get ready for the impressive part. Woo-wee! It's like magic, but it won't last long, so be sure everybody sees it right when it comes out of the oven. Of course, I'm gonna start by just dusting over a little powdered sugar. And then to serve this, you just wanna cut it into wedges. I love the outer edges. That's gonna be crispy, airy, perfect bite. Here's how I like to serve it, with a little bit of fresh fruit, another dusting, and a little squeeze of lemon. Perfect bite. It's so tender, and that little bit of powdered sugar makes it delightfully light. I like a Dutch baby better than a crepe. That might have made somebody mad. If you don't want to do the lemon, you could also just, of course, drizzle with your favorite maple syrup. And that, my friends, is how you make a Dutch baby. If you've never tried it before, give this recipe a try. I promise you won't regret it. Now get cooking. This is good. The handle's still hot.